To install the drill bit, first lay the drill down on a flat surface. Insert the drill bit into the chuck and tighten the clamps with the Allen key provided. Install the handle arms by screwing each arm into the holes provided. Remember to only hand tighten them. Plug the drill into the correct power source, then press the green magnet button. If the drill is safely magnetised, you should see the green flashing light. You can now press the green motor button to switch the drill on. To switch the drill off, first turn off the motor and then the magnet. If the light is flashing amber, this means the drill is not safely magnetised. For any drilling that is not being performed on top of a flat surface, please use the ratchet strap provided to secure the machine to the drill surface. You should then be able to start the machine by pressing both the green buttons together until the drill starts.